OnePlus Z was scheduled to launch in April, but then it got delayed due to the pandemic situation all over the world, and now we have got the new launch date and also some specifications of this OnePlus Z. In this video, I will be talking about these specs also. So OnePlus Z first started teasing back in December 2019, and until now we had not any clue regarding its launch date, and also it was expected that this will be the OnePlus 8 Lite, but no. It has been confirmed officially via a reliable Twitter source, Max J. He has revealed the launch date as well as phone name. This will be the OnePlus Z for sure, and it will be launching in July 2020. This is few months far from now, about 2 months, and this OnePlus Z is basically going to be an mid-range OnePlus device, so it's clear that it will not have that high-end level features, but as you can see in this image, it is clear from the renders also that this will be having a flat display with punch hole placed in center of screen. And this camera position is totally different from one which was on OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro. They both had the same single punch hole selfie shooters but at the top left corner, but OnePlus Z is having it in the center and it looks more like Samsung's smartphone. And then talking about this display, then it is around 6.5 inches flat display with full HD plus resolution, and so it is not having the curved display like OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. And OnePlus has not revealed its specs yet, neither any reliable source has revealed it, but Ishan Agarwal on Twitter said that OnePlus Z is expected to have the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 SoC. He is also not sure about it. There could be any other chipset like Snapdragon 765G SoC, but we rely on what a reliable source says. And if there will be the MediaTek Dimensity 1000, then this is really cool because this processor is really a best performing processor, and it is also a brand new from MediaTek. And it seems that OnePlus is planning some big changes for OnePlus Z. And here we also have a live hands-on image of OnePlus Z coming straight from China. It is showing that phone will surely have the center punch hole selfie camera, and looking at the bezels, then these are really thick. There are many other mid-range smartphones out there in the market with almost no bezels, but OnePlus is making this OnePlus Z look a bit ugly by implementing these thick bezels. At the rear side we have the rectangular shaped triple camera module. Yes, this OnePlus Z is having triple camera setup at rear side with 48 megapixel primary lens, 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. These are not confirmed specs, but this is what rumors are claiming, and this OnePlus Z is expected to launch with price tag of $354 US. That sounds really great because on the other hand, Apple's iPhone SE, that is also a mid-range device, costs $400. But yes, this OnePlus Z cannot beat the iPhone SE 2020 in performance because iPhone SE has the most powerful and best chipset, the A13 Bionic chipset, which was also used in Apple's most premium iPhone 11 series. And talking about my opinions, then if you are looking for best mid-range Android smartphone, then I can recommend this OnePlus Z, and in iPhone section you can go for iPhone SE. That is best value for money smartphone, I would say. And that's all for OnePlus Z. Now let's wait for a few months until this device gets officially launched, and I will be making a full video about its features. For that, make sure to subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming latest tech news and tech reviews. And I'll see you in the next one.